Welcome to LittleLeaf Organic, where purity meets comfort and sustainability. At TerRATAVIDA, we proudly bring you LittleLeaf's finest GOTS-certified organic cotton products. LittleLeaf is a family-run business based in Hampshire, founded by parents who understand the importance of choosing fabrics that are kind to your family's skin and gentle on the planet. And every product is crafted with care using the purest organic cotton. Unlike conventional cotton, LittleLeaf's fabrics are free from harmful chemicals and pesticides, ensuring long-lasting quality and ultimate comfort. LittleLeaf's designs are not only practical but also stylish. With bright, unique patterns that suit both boys and girls, the products are perfect for handing down from one child to the next, sustainable and economical. Sustainability is at the heart of everything they do. Partnering with a solar-powered and fair trade certified factory, LittleLeaf ensures that every step of production respects both people and the planet. Feel the difference. LittleLeaf Organic's textiles are incredibly soft and get even softer with every wash, offering you unparalleled quality and comfort for years to come. From product to packaging, every detail is thoughtfully designed to minimize environmental impact. Explore the full range of LittleLeaf organic products at TerRATAVIDA. Visit our website today for more information and to shop now. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.